guys, welcome to the Poke Social Club. It's Daddy Snorlax. And today, all the way from the US and A, it is some McDonald's Pokemon packs to open. Got the smile, it's like an Amazon smile. But there we go, we've got 3 lots of set 2. Managed to get them from a Facebook seller who had them shipped from the US. And after that, we're going to open, I think, what is our final tin of Hidden Fates. Hidden Fates? Shining Fates, there we go. Don't have any more of these until they come back into stock in the UK, but this is our final one. But first, we are going to open the McDonald's packs. Some cool promos. Pikachu holo promo, I think is the one you want to pull. Shall we see what's inside?
Yeah.
We've not really done much research on these. They're not coming to the UK anytime soon, if ever. I don't really know what's inside, so let's go for this one. Let's open it up, and you get a pack with 4 cards, which we'll put there.
Oh, tasty.
And you get something. Like a little background, which is quite nice. Ooh. Would you prefer woods or the beach?
The beach.
The beach.
The beach.
It's nice. We can all pretend we're on holiday. Stickers. Am I being stupid? No, they're just stuck together.
Yeah, they're stickers.
So you get some cool stickers. Look, Froakie, Snivy,
Litten.
Scorbunny. They're pretty cool.
And Pikachu.
Like those. Let's put them
Very cool, actually.
there.
There's a little puzzle on the top too.
And then you've got your
Little
puzzle. Let's see who matches up to who in the silhouettes. Oh, it tells you the answer on the top there, which is not much help. So there we go. We'll see if the other ones are the same. But shall we open this?
Yep.
Here we go. They should all have the 25 logo on for the 25th. So 25th anniversary, which has just been. Ooh. We've got the Tepig holo. So that's pretty cool. Check that out. That is
It is cool. It's like a firework.
number 13 of 25. That's, I love the, pretty cool, with the 25 logo. And you get Froakie, looking pretty happy. Squirtle. Original artwork. I think these are reprints from different sets.
Chimchar.
And Chimchar, but we've got the Tepig.
We got the Tepig, and I think the Tepig's really cool. So I'm happy with
So we keep these. Maybe we should collect these. Mini Charmander. Right, let's see what's in these ones.
that. See what's in this one.
Probably exactly the same. So there we go. Game card. Looks like the same background. We'll put that
Maybe
there.
if we turn it over. So more stickers. It's probably going to be the same exact stickers.
No, different ones.
No.
Different stickers. Look, we've got
Different
some.
stickers. Yes, it has me in it.
There we go. Look, that's pretty cool.
Yes, me.
That's a better set of stickers than the,
Yes,
than the
better
other
set
set.
of stickers.
And then a different puzzle.
No, a
Just
Pikachu
a colouring in Pokeballs. It's pretty good. And we've got the next card set. Right, I'm going to open these. Which way? I'm going to open these this way this time. I like the fact that this is paper and not foil, so it feels like you can move that one to the back, recycle it. Bulbasaur, that's pretty cool.
His face.
It's like my face in the morning.
Litten.
And our foil card promo is Fennekin. Check that out. That's pretty cool. It's number 14.
Yep.
So we'll put that there. T-Pig and Fennekin.
Let's go with our last one.
Tepig. However you say it. Last one. I'm assuming it's probably the same stickers as before. So there's your pack.
It's the same puzzle as the first.
Same puzzle and probably
Okay,
same.
same sticker.
No, different stickers.
No.
But the same as the second. cool.
No, they're the exact same.
It's but not the same as the other black pack that we opened. Right, and
Oh, yeah.
here we go. So, which way round is it? I don't think we're going to get the Pikachu.
Yeah, we might not. Grookey.
Grookey.
Oh, look at Pookie living in the ocean. Wherever it is. Chestbin.
Chestbin. You see, that's a much older style card. Rowlet. And oh yeah, now that is one of the ones to get. Squirtle Holo, one of the starters. Holo card. You can check the bubbles seem a bit hollowy as well. Look at that, that's pretty cool. So like those, we'll put those up there and keep that one on Mr. Snorlax. Right, now for the Cramorant.
Wait, the beach actually kind of fits in with the Cramorant because you know
It does. We'll put him over there in a minute. We'll just get the
Yeah, put him on the seat. Put him on the seat.
cellophane. So open that up. So let's get there's your code card for the pack. Throw that over there. Throw that over there. And here is the Cramorant Shiny. So we've opened the Boltund and whichever the other one was that I can't remember.
Wait, how many are supposed to go in this?
5.
I thought there was one extra. Never mind.
So there we go. And then we've got 5 packs of
Oh,
Shining
upside
Fates.
down.
Upside down Shining
Shining
Fates. Let's
Upside Fates.
Yep, let's go with that. Right, so here we go. These might be our final Shining Fates for a while. Fingers crossed for some good pulls. Here's the code. Right, here we go.
Electric Energy, Dartrix, Cramorant, Rusted Shield, Cutiefant, Tutul, Yangma, Morpeko, Eevee, Spinnerack, and Manphy.
Manphy, yeah. So nothing in that pack. On to the next. Never consistent with the way around that the code cards are.
Yeah.
There we go, never mind.
Fire Energy, Floatzel, Dartrix, Ballguy, Cutiefant, Glossifur, Snom, Coughing, Cacnea, Nickit,
Kit.
and Volcanion.
Volcanion, so nothing in that pack. Which is a bit disappointing. Right, on to Inteleon.
I like the Cramorant shiny
Yes, well if that's the only thing we get, that's not exactly value for money.
though. Yeah.
But we'll see. We shall see.
Fighting Energy, Rotom, Rusted Sword, Luxio, Horsey, Grookey, Morpeko, Spinnerack.
Weasel.
I have a feeling that we're going to get some.
Ah, Morpeko V.
He's very
That's pretty
angry,
cool. Yeah, he's looking very determined, I would say.
determined, and he's pouncing on his prey.
Right, Dragapult.
Dragon One of the best Pokemons in the world.
Anybody would think you like dragons. Right, here
'Cause
we
I
go.
do. Fire Energy, Ballguy, Rusted Sword, Eldegoss, Glossifur, Tutul, Morpeko, Cacnea, Horsey, Cacnea again, and
Yan Mega.
Yanmega.
So,
Yeah, these packs are actually paper.
they are. I
Yeah.
said that.
I know.
Better for the environment.
Better for the
Something like that, anyway.
Right.
Right, there we go. Right, final pack of Shining Fates.
Let's see what we get. Hopefully we get something.
Something, otherwise the Morpeko V was a bit disappointing.
Thing. Thwacky. Rusted Shield. Rotom. Rowlet. Trapinch. Snom. Grookey. Spinneret.
Oh!
He's so cute.
Baby,
Too cute.
baby holo Milcery, more Milcery.
Too cute.
Baby shiny even. And a boss's orders.
It's
So,
too cute for my
a
life.
bit disappointing out of a tin just for a baby shiny and a Morpeko V. But there we go. You win some, you lose some. But pretty happy with the Squirtle promo holo from McDonald's. Happy with that one?
Yes.
And the Cramorant V, of
I'm
course.
happy with the Cramorant and the Squirtle. The cute little human.
There we go. So, as I said before, guys, we're approaching our 100th episode. I need to add up how many episodes we've done, but I think we're on 97. So look out very soon for a 100 episode giveaway. Otherwise, that's it for now from Daddy Snorlax.
I'm Charmander.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.